Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davie County until 5 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Moxville and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Moxville, Bermuda Run, Fort Church, Farmington, and Advance. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Davie, North Carolina. Here is a special message from the